Today, I want to tell you the story of a school that is changing education.
We are facing an education emergency.
Yes, education is broken. You see, education has stayed the same for thousands of years. It helps you learn facts, but it doesn't help you in the real world. Because once you graduate, there are no guidelines, no textbooks, nothing. You have to figure out life by yourself. How to have a career, how to do your job, how to work with a team. It even happened to me. After I graduated, I wanted to build a company. So I built a startup after another and they all failed. I failed because I studied facts and numbers instead of learning how the real world works. And this is exactly what happens to most students. It's not their fault. The problem is in education. That's why I want to introduce you to this school.
Welcome to PSB Academy!
Here in Singapore, these guys are changing the way education is done. Here, they prepare students for the real world by helping them live in it right now. How? Well, let me show you. First, they break down the idea of what a school looks like. They built the school in downtown Singapore. And inside of it, they added lecture theaters, real media studios, and all kinds of labs for engineering, for science, for robotics, and even for sports, all in the middle of downtown Singapore. Imagine, this is a robotics lab in the middle of downtown of a city. And that's not all. They also make sure that everything the students learn here is what they will be doing once they graduate.
Robotics!
Media! Everything here is designed to make students think, work together, and create solutions for the real world. I never got the chance to experience learning like this. Oh, and by the way, Nas Academy partnered with PSB Academy to provide practical education to content creators and make them ready for the social media world. This is as practical as it gets. Here in Singapore, which has one of the toughest education systems in the world, this school is changing the way things are done. And they're actually making a difference. How many students do you have at PSB Academy?
Okay. We have 16,000 students and growing.
16,000.
Yes.
That means 16,000 future leaders, scientists, AI specialists, engineers, sports managers, and even content creators like me to do what they love once they graduate. And that is why this place is known as Asia's Future Academy. They're already building the future here. I wish the world had more schools like this.